Taro, kia, my name is Caden.
In Mora Taro Winton School, I'm Brooklyn. Welcome to NEWS News for Rapapa the 18th of November.
High-vis vests, kia ora to students wearing them to and from school. We need everyone wearing them.
And a reminder, this term you must wear your sun hats at playtimes, lunchtimes. Anyone outside without a hat goes under the shade.
And a quick kia ora to those students returning sports gear to the trolleys at the end of lunchtime and interval. Ka pai. Koutou.
Library news, open today for returns, browsing and issues.
And get in quick, there's some brand new books for browsing too.
Okay, on to Te Kupu o Te Wiki. This week's word is pakeke, which is te reo for grown up.
As ki pakeke here kau e te tau. You're growing up, my darling.
Yeah, I'm getting married tomorrow.
Okay, touch news. Tigers and leopards, you have no training today.
Panthers, you do. Meet on the library steps at lunchtime.
Year 1 and 2 teams, listen up. Winston Bears, Cheetahs, Warriors and Wombulls. Meet in the junior lunch area at 12:45. Kia ora.
Winton's Got Talent. Today is day 1 for the year 1 and 2's performers.
All performers must have their music to Mr. Wadsworth already and be ready at the hall at 12:30. Kia kaha.
The hall will be open at 12:40 for supporters, fans and audience members.
Can all year 5 and 6 Winton's Got Talent performers please meet Mr. C in the library at interval. Kia ora.
Okay, that's it for today. From everyone here at the NEWS News team, ka kite o pupu.
Stay sharp and haere Winton School.